Good morning, everyone. I wanted to bring you on a walk in the yard this morning to see what I discovered when I was watering. It appears that these cicadas have taken up residence on our newly planted peach trees. We planted these trees last season. I'm trying to remember the month, but in the late autumn. You can see the tag is still on. We were so pleased with how they were doing. I'm trying not to make you too dizzy. Let's go over to the other one. We planted 2. This is the second one. I think this one might have slightly fewer cicadas. But you can see them tucked in the limbs. So, I'm gonna get some garden gloves and start plucking. Have a great morning. See you next time.